Mom, let's go. Wow, this place is so beautiful.
It is. The magic door is just ahead.
Let's go.
Look, that's our room. Come on, let's go and visit it.
Wow, okay, let's go.
This way.
Okay.
Look, the castle awaits.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Let's go see. Let's do a little makeup. Watch me make these brows fly.
Hehe, so pretty.
Goodbye, little one.
No, take me with you. My eyebrows look perfect. I need food. Where is my mom? I'm going to find her. Mom, where are you? Maybe my mom is inside there.
Yes, your mother is here.
Somebody please send me!
Who will help you?
Please, I don't want to be here!
Anyone who comes here never goes back.
Mom, please say! Please, guys, say! Mom, save me!
Where has my little child gone? Where will I find her now? You will find her. Don't worry. You will find her. Don't worry. We have to give you that special coat now. We feel that the little kitten is in great danger. Yes, you must wear it immediately. There is a serious threat ahead. I feel its call. The power is rising! I am transformed. The time has come. I will go now and save my daughter. Ancient powers, heed my call. I can sense it now. I know where my daughter is. Hold on, my child, I am coming.
My child is here. She is inside.
Where are you, my daughter? Where are you? I am here now. I have come to save you from this dangerous creature.
Mom, please save me!
I am here. Be free.
Thank you, Mom. You came to save me.
I will always come for you.
Before, I had only one prisoner. Now I have 4. I will burn all of you and devour you! Is there anyone else who dares to challenge me?
Mom, please get up.
Mom, please wake up.
We need you. Thank you for saving us.
We will never forget what you did for us. You protected us from great danger.
What a beautiful night for flying!
It is! Let's see what adventures await us.
The stars are aligned for our journey.
Whee! This is so much fun! Onward!